Steak on a budget, the price of steak. Why it's hitting your wallet. Hard, let's be real. Steak has become a luxury item. With rising food costs, many people are finding it harder to justify splurging on a juicy ribeye or filet mignon, whether it's inflation, supply chain issues, or higher demand. The bottom line is clear. Steak prices are going up, and our grocery budgets are feeling the squeeze. But does that mean you have to give up on delicious, protein-packed meals? Absolutely not. There are plenty of alternatives that deliver flavor, nutrition, and satisfaction without emptying your wallet. Steak alternatives exist, delicious and affordable options. If you think cutting back on steak means sacrificing taste or quality, think again. There are tons of budget-friendly options that can provide the same hearty experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking at plant-based alternatives, poultry, or even budget-friendly seafood, you can still enjoy a satisfying, protein-rich meal. By exploring these options, you'll not only save money, but also discover new, exciting flavors and cooking techniques. Who knows? You might even find a new favorite dish that's just as indulgent as your beloved steak. Goal of this video: exploring healthy and budget-friendly steak alternatives. This video is all about helping you eat well without overspending. We'll walk you through some fantastic steak substitutes, ranging from plant-based choices to poultry and fish, so you can keep enjoying delicious, nutritious meals on a budget. Whether you're a dedicated steak lover looking for an occasional swap, or someone searching for healthier, more affordable options, this guide has something for you. So, let's dive in and explore these wallet-friendly, mouth-watering alternatives. Meatless Monday, delicious plant-based steak. Alternatives going meatless for a meal, or even a day, isn't just great for your budget. It's also an easy way to explore new flavors, reduce your environmental impact, and boost your health. If you think plant-based meals can't be as hearty and satisfying as steak, think again. With the right ingredients and cooking techniques, you can create rich, flavorful dishes that rival your favorite steak dinners. Plant-based options. Affordable and protein-packed. If you're looking for plant-based steak alternatives, here are some of the best options. Tofu. This soy-based protein is a staple in many cuisines and absorbs marinades beautifully. Firm or extra-firm tofu works best as a steak alternative when grilled, pan-seared, or even air-fried. Tempeh. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh has a firmer texture and a nutty flavor that pairs well with bold seasonings. Slice it into steaks, marinate it, and grill or pan-fry for a protein-rich meal. Seitan. Also known as wheat meat, seitan has a chewy, meaty texture that makes it one of the best plant-based steak substitutes. Season and cook it like you would a steak, and you'll be surprised at how satisfying it is. Mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms in particular make excellent steak substitutes thanks to their umami-rich flavor and meaty texture. Grill them whole or slice them up for a hearty plant-based meal. Budget-friendly and versatile, how to make. The most of these ingredients. One of the best things about plant-based steak alternatives is that they're affordable and versatile. A block of tofu or tempeh costs significantly less than a steak, and mushrooms or seitan can stretch your grocery budget while keeping meals exciting. These ingredients can be seasoned, marinated, and cooked in a variety of ways: grilled, pan-seared, stir-fried, or even oven-roasted. Plus, they work well in a range of cuisines, from Asian-inspired dishes to classic American comfort food. Easy ingredient swaps. How to replace steak in your favorite dishes. Still craving the flavors of your favorite steak recipes? Here's how. You can swap steak for plant-based alternatives in classic dishes. Grilled steak. Marinate a portobello mushroom or seitan cutlet in steak seasoning. Then grill it just like a regular steak. Serve with roasted veggies or mashed potatoes. Stir fry. Replace beef strips with tofu or tempeh, toss them in a savory soy-based sauce, and stir fry with bell peppers, onions, and broccoli for a quick and tasty meal. Steak tacos. Saute marinated tempeh or grilled mushrooms, then stuff them into warm tortillas with fresh toppings like salsa, avocado, and cilantro. Savory steak salad. Instead of steak slices, use grilled tofu or seitan over a bed of greens with a zesty dressing. Meatless meals don't have to be boring or expensive. By experimenting with these plant-based alternatives, you'll discover a whole new world of flavors while keeping your grocery bill under control. Fishy. Friday. Affordable and nutritious. Seafood alternatives. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to steak that's still packed with protein and essential nutrients, seafood is a fantastic option. Fish provides a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health, along with high-quality protein to keep you feeling full and energized. The good news? You don't need to splurge on pricey cuts like salmon fillets or fresh tuna steaks. There are plenty of affordable seafood options that are just as nutritious and delicious. Affordable fish choices. Eat well, without breaking the bank. When shopping for budget-friendly seafood, look for these options. Canned salmon and tuna. A pantry staple, canned fish is an inexpensive and convenient protein source. It's perfect for making patties, salads, and sandwiches. Frozen tilapia. Tilapia is mild in flavor, making it a great blank canvas for seasonings and marinades. It's also one of the most affordable whitefish options available. Sardines and mackerel. These small fish are packed with omega-3s and come at a fraction of the cost of fresh seafood. They're delicious in pasta, salads, or on toast. Pollock and cod, commonly found in frozen sections. These white fish options are mild, flaky, and great for baking or pan frying. Nutrient-rich alternatives. Why fish is a smart choice swapping. Steak for fish isn't just a budget-friendly move, it's also a nutritional upgrade. Here's why. High-quality protein. Fish offers all the essential amino acids your body needs, making it a great alternative to red meat. Heart-healthy fats. Unlike steak, which can be high in saturated fat, fish provides omega-3, fatty acids that support heart health. Vitamins and minerals. Many fish varieties are rich in vitamin D, B vitamins, selenium, and iodine, all essential for overall health. Simple and quick recipes. Easy ways to enjoy. Budget-friendly fish is one of the easiest proteins to cook, making it perfect for quick weeknight meals. Here are some simple ideas to get you started. Crispy fish tacos. Use tilapia or pollock, season with spices, and pan fry until golden brown. Serve in tortillas with cabbage slaw and a squeeze of lime. Salmon patties. Mix canned salmon with breadcrumbs, egg, and seasonings, then pan fry until crispy. Serve with a fresh salad or in a sandwich. Mediterranean sardine toast. Spread mashed sardines on whole grain toast. Top with tomatoes, red onion, and a drizzle of olive oil for a nutrient-packed snack. Garlic butter baked cod. Season frozen cod fillets with garlic, lemon, and herbs. Then bake for a simple, flavorful dinner. By incorporating affordable fish into your diet, you can enjoy the taste and health benefits of seafood without the high price tag. Give these recipes a try and discover just how delicious and easy budget-friendly fish can be. Poultry Power. Budget-friendly chicken and turkey alternatives. When steak prices are sky high, chicken and turkey step in as excellent budget-friendly protein options. Not only are they more affordable, but they're also lean, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or stir-frying, poultry can easily replace steak in many dishes while keeping your meals just as satisfying. Budget-conscious chicken and turkey. Protein. Without the price tag. Compared to steak, chicken, and turkey are significantly cheaper per pound, making them a smart choice for families and budget-conscious eaters. Here's why they're a great alternative. Affordable. Chicken thighs, drumsticks, and whole chickens are among the best-priced protein sources. Ground turkey is another budget-friendly option. Lean and nutritious. Both chicken and turkey are high in protein, while being lower in saturated fat than red meat. Widely available. No need to hunt for specialty cuts. Chicken and turkey are easy to find at any grocery store. Versatile cooking techniques. Easy ways to prepare. Poultry. One of the biggest advantages of chicken and turkey is how adaptable they are. You can prepare them in a variety of ways to keep meals exciting and flavorful. Here are some simple techniques. Grilling. Marinate chicken breasts or thighs and grill them just like you would a steak for a smoky, charred flavor. Stir frying. Thinly slice chicken or turkey and stir fry with veggies for a quick, protein-packed meal. Slow cooking. Use a slow cooker to make tender, fall-apart chicken that's perfect for tacos, sandwiches, or rice bowls. Roasting. Roast a whole chicken for an easy, budget-friendly meal that provides leftovers. For days. Chicken and turkey recipes. Steak-inspired swaps. Want to enjoy steak-style meals without the steak price tag? Here are some delicious ways to use poultry instead. Garlic butter, chicken steak. Pound a chicken breasts thin, season with garlic and herbs, then pan-sear like a steak. Serve with mashed potatoes and veggies. Turkey burgers. Swap out ground beef for ground turkey and season well for juicy, flavorful burgers. Grilled BBQ chicken thighs. Marinate chicken thighs in BBQ sauce, then grill for a smoky, delicious meal. Spicy stir-fried turkey strips. Use turkey breast slices instead of steak in your favorite stir-fry for a lighter but equally tasty dish. Chicken and turkey prove that you don't need steak to enjoy a hearty, protein-rich meal. With the right seasonings and cooking techniques, you can create dishes that are just as satisfying, without the hefty price tag. Wrap it up, budget-friendly steak alternatives. Recap. By now, you've seen that delicious protein-packed meals don't have to break the bank. Whether you're swapping steak for plant-based proteins, fish, or poultry, there are plenty of healthy and affordable options that can keep your meals satisfying and flavorful. Quick recap of steak alternatives. Meatless Monday. Tofu, tempeh, seitan, and mushrooms are fantastic plant-based substitutes that offer rich flavors and textures at a fraction of the cost. Fishy Friday. Affordable seafood options like canned salmon, tuna, frozen tilapia, and sardines provide protein and heart-healthy omega-3s without the steak price tag. Poultry Power. Budget-friendly chicken and turkey offer a lean and versatile alternative. Perfect for grilling, roasting, and stir-frying. Encouraging. Further exploration. Switching things up in the kitchen can be exciting. Trying different proteins not only helps save money, but also adds variety to your meals and boosts your nutritional intake. Don't be afraid to experiment with new seasonings, cooking methods, and ingredient swaps to find what works best for you and your family. Call to action. Share your favorite alternatives. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your go-to steak alternatives? Have you tried any of these swaps before? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share your favorite budget-friendly recipes. By making small changes, you can still enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while keeping your grocery bill in check. Happy cooking!